Is it the right time to buy or sell the VOO ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the VOO ETF. We previously released a report on our website on Thursday, February 1, 2024, but now we're back with an even more detailed analysis. To stay up to date with our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. We want to make sure you don't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Experience the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 4.57. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis and invested in VOO 61 days ago when we first recommended it, you would have seen an impressive gain of 12.57%. This means that on average, you would have earned a return of 0.21% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the middle of a strong and narrow rising trend in the short term. This indicates that there is potential for further growth within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 11.66% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between 9.8% and 12.7%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 17.52% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 3.2% and 18.21%. So, after a year, the price range could be $464.06 to $531.56. Our latest update on the VOO ETF brings good news. It has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, Thursday, February 1, 2024, the VOO ETF price increased by 1.32%, going from $443.82 to $449.66. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 1.13%, reaching a low of $444.65 and a high of $449.66. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 2.72% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 6 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.69 billion. It's important to note that when volume decreases while prices rise, it could indicate a divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the market. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $451.81, while the lowest price was $349.76. At present, the price is 0.48% or $2.15 below the 52-week high of $451.81, which also happens to be the all-time high for the ETF. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for VOO, an ETF. The VOO ETF shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. During corrections, the stock is likely to find support at $448.41 and $438.24. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's important to note that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, potentially signaling an early warning. Therefore, it's advisable to closely monitor the ETF's performance. On the other hand, some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence the short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, resulting in a minus 0.405% decrease so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, we have a buy signal. Pivots, we had a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, we had a buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, we received a sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, we had a buy signal 59 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, we received a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, we had a buy signal 57 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, we had a buy signal 46 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. When it comes to VOO, there's an interesting support level to keep an eye on. The stock has found support at $434.01, and this could present a buying opportunity. Usually, when a support level is tested, we can expect an upwards reaction. So, it's worth considering. VOO is known for its controlled movements and good liquidity, which makes it a low-risk stock. In fact, its daily price range is relatively small, moving only $5.01 or 1.13% between its highest and lowest points in the last day. Looking at its performance over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 0.82%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for VOO. If the market is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $451.17. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if VOO experiences a downward trend, it will encounter its first support level at $434.01. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a good entry point, as you anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $434.83, with a decrease of 3.3%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, which translates to lower risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Based on recent signals and overall market trends, it appears that VOO ETF could present a buying opportunity in the short term. Our analysis has been upgraded from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 2nd, we anticipate VOO to open with a decrease of $1.67, starting at $447.99. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our video where we'll be discussing the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What do you think should be the target for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.